Where to start at first? Y'all see we here in the gun show since they trap back at it. Man, check out these 300 blackout, 350. Oh wait. Boy. Charging handles. Boy.
I see that. Hey, look.
What up?
This my girl right here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You need
This my guy right here.
Yeah. If you buy anything in here today, buy from her.
I got
If
you.
you need anything.
I got you.
The first thing though, you have money.
Not just
Oh,
on
yeah.
me, but
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm being ugly. I'll be in Pearl in 2 weeks.
I see that.
It's a Coke bottle, but you cannot throw away.
Okay. Not throwing it away.
It's
It's
still
cool
little things
option.
I can say. 22.
You know what that is, don't you?
Yeah.
That Coke bottle?
Yeah. Definitely know what it is. It's crazy.
It's the ones that walks over there and throws it away. I know they don't.
Definitely know what it is. Man. Eggs Tactical, all of that, man. We out here.
Yeah.
And this is your brand right here? Okay. I'm gonna gun you.
Get
I'm gonna gun you.
Get
Yeah.
a card from her.
Yeah, gotta get the card. Y'all should go support Tag Force. Indeed. Y'all go support Tag Force, man. They got literally any and everything over here.
I just did a gun deal. I came down with a gun deal, but I need some stuff from her. So I'll come see you. Probably come back and see you when you get Pearl. Unless he's got some money on him, so he don't spend that.
Boy, got a little bit of everything over here. Let's see. Mag pull mags, 30 mag.
I'm busy. Daughter going to summer camp.
Yeah.
Standard trigger. What he said, money do buy happiness. Money does buy happiness, man. Let's take a look at some of these.
It's 1919.
Man, boy. Oh my gosh. Check out this little baby. Oh my gosh. What would y'all do with that? 2024 gun show. This that John Wick right here. Straight solid metal. Man. Sid. Oh my gosh. 1911. Ooh, that bitch damn, $800. Springfield Armory 1911. What y'all doing with it? Copper drop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If it's alright, can I get a video? I'm a gun YouTuber. I got like 13,000. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Trying to get it. I just got new to it. Just trying to get into it, the business. You know what I'm saying? I love it, man. Love my Second Amendment. Love it.
That's it.
What this is? 43. 43. Baby G-Lock. What y'all doing with it? 5 though. Yo. Nice little side on. What this is? Glock 38, 19. Cooling kit. What y'all know about it? Double stack mag. Glock 27. This one is engraved. Bro, check out the engravings on there, bro. Check out the engravings on there, bruh. Bruh. This is it. I'm telling y'all, boy, y'all need to get y'all. Better start coming to these gun shows, man. Better start coming to these gun shows. Little stripper pistol 380. Hold on, let's see what this 380 was. Yeah, the 380. 6 shot. Little stripper pistol. What y'all think about it, man? What y'all think about it? And for y'all boys who like them big old Smith & Wessons, we got them, my boy. We got them. Man, it's a piece of history right here. Piece of history, my boy. .357 Python. Man, what y'all know about him, man? What y'all know about him? Springfield Armories, man. What y'all know about him, bro? What do y'all know about him, bro? Got that Hellcat. Got that Hellcat. And the little yop ain't even just got no weight to it. What y'all know about it? What y'all know about that? What that SIG, boy? What do y'all know about this? What do y'all know about this? Bruh.
Probably should have taken a picture of it.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Ooh, cheetah print. Ooh, cheetah print toys. Now I done seen the cheetah print Glock 43X, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't never seen no cheetah print toys. And for y'all little bougie girls. Got them glitters. And in purple. Man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it, man. Oh my gosh. This is 43X Black Cherry. A Black Cherry 43X. Ooh. Now, for all y'all boys who like, man, where that 19X at, man? Glock 19X. What y'all know about it, bro? What do you know about it? Man, and they got P-Mags, drums, all of that, man. Extended mags, all of that, man. 22 Magnum. 22 mag. 22 mag, bro. What y'all know about it? For y'all boys don't know what that is. It's that fold out. It's that fold carbine. PLR 16. Oh, it's a 22. It ain't 5.56. No. Hold up. Let me ask you. Let me give me a course because he occupied real quick, man. Hey, Mr. Nathan. Man, I was over here looking at that PLR 16 y'all had, bro. Did y'all could y'all just so happen to have it in the 5.56, man?
No, sure.
Dang, man.
To come back and
Man, that's what I'm saying, man. I had just got me a Anderson Manufacturing 7.5-inch AR pistol, and man, I was just looking at it. I had just looked at the PLR 16, but they had wanted too much for it. But man, it's been hard trying to find it in 5.56.
What they want for it?
They wanted $800 for it for the 5.56 one.
I had two last show.
Yeah.
I had $799 on both of them. So.
Man, I'm telling you.
They've gone up in price.
That's what I'm saying, cause them PLRs, man, they cool, man. It's a cool little weapon to have, man.
They're high. They didn't used to be high. I used to sell them for like $450.
That's what I'm saying, man. You can get them on what it is, cheap as dirt. I don't know if you ever heard of that gun website or not. But
Cheaper than dirt?
yeah, cheaper than dirt.
On there for $800?
Yeah. But you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come to one of these gun shows and hopefully I can see one. I've seen that one, but it's 22.
If I get another one, it'll be about $800. So I don't know that you're gonna find it much cheaper than this.
Yes, sir. Yeah. But nothing wrong with that, man. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Let me know when you
Yes, sir. Sawed off. Oh my gosh. For y'all boys that like the micros. And y'all boys better know what that price tag say, bruh. That's really what you gonna be paying for a micro. Micro, ARP, the ARP ski. They got with the burnt handle. They got the smooth handle. I think that's Century Arms. I want to say. Made in Romania. This is a Roman. This is a Romania. This is a Russian gun. This is not American. Y'all better come to it, but y'all better get with it. That's probably the American made one. Made in Romania, okay. See, bruh, y'all gotta get y'all the legit. We'll be right back.